Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Sensual Instinct by Montale. As promised in my previous video, which I will put a link to down below, it was a haul video and I hauled this fragrance, and this was such a great discovery for me that I want to share all the details of it. So before I get into this review, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for all your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get into this review. Just rhyme. This is Sensual Instinct by Montale, and it comes in the Montale pouch that some of you might have seen in the past. It looks like so. So the bottle has this keychain type of looking charm thing here, which I have really grown to like. It grew on me. I somehow started liking this. I love the color of this bottle. It's purple on top and gold, and it has this gradient effect, and it's absolutely stunning. And this was a discovery I made quite accidentally. I haven't heard anyone surprisingly talk about this here on YouTube. I am shocked. I was shook to the core the first time I sprayed this on myself. I could not get over how amazing this is. This is everything I love in the fragrance kind of put into one. So imagine this. Imagine if Montale Intense Cafe had a baby with Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Kurkdjian. Yes, and this is what you get. It's absolutely crazy, I know. I accidentally stumbled across this on Fragrantica. I was actually looking at reviews of Intense Cafe. I own the travel spray and I do enjoy it, and I wanted to see what else was out there, and people recommend other scents. So this was recommended and I looked more into it. I went online and I looked at the description, at the notes, and it intrigued me. I mean, the fact that people were saying that this is a dupe for Baccarat Rouge, it's amazing. And I'm like, wait, I can get my coffee fix and Baccarat Rouge in one? Hell yeah, bring it. So I will read the notes to you. So the top notes are roasted coffee beans. Middle notes are praline and rose. Base notes are amber, oak moss, and cedar. So I'm gonna spray some on. Yes. So upon the opening, you get that strong hit of the coffee beans. Roasted, dark coffee beans, the way I like my coffee. They're delicious. And you smell for a few minutes, and then the rose kicks in and you start to smell that beautiful red rose. You smell the praline, and then it starts to turn and starts to smell exactly like Baccarat Rouge 540. That burnt sugar caramel scent minus that medicinal scent. This one does not have medicinal scent, which I really appreciate. It's amazing how it's an exact dupe. Like, this is probably the best dupe so far that I have tried of Baccarat Rouge 540. And it's just amazing how they made this fragrance to smell like Intense Cafe and Baccarat Rouge 540 as if they had a baby. This is their baby. And it's beast. Like, this scent stays on the skin until you rub it off. It's one of those in the Montale fashion. If you own Montale or tried it, you know their fragrances are beast mode for the most part, at least the ones I tried. I have not tried one that disappeared on me quick. Like this stays on, it clings on. The projection is beast. The sillage is amazing. This really checks off all the marks for me. Like, this is my ultimate fragrance. I have been reaching for this one ever since I got it. I couldn't put it down. Even if I was wearing something else, at some point in the day, I put this on. I had to. And I can't stop smelling my wrist once I have this on. And I had so many compliments while running errands. My husband loves this. He really liked this. Out of all my purchases, out of my haul, like this is the one he really liked. This is my favorite as well. So this is very sensual, as the name says. It's intoxicating, it's gourmand. It's a coffee and rose lover's dream come true, crossed over with the Baccarat Rouge 540. Who thought of that? Like, really, who? Montale, you're brilliant, you're a genius. I have not smelled anything like this in one. Yes, if I layer Intense Cafe and Baccarat Rouge together, but I would need to own both. I have them both in this. It's incredible. This has been my favorite find of 2020 so far. I am not done yet, I think, with the hauls, but so far, this is just incredible. This is intoxicating. It's sweet. It's decadent. It's everything that I love in a fragrance. And it's interesting because throughout the wear, I like that this goes through different stages. It doesn't stay linear and it just changes. And even like when that coffee note goes away and the rose and it starts to smell like Baccarat Rouge, I will sniff my wrist and I will get that coffee note back time to time. It like peeks out from time to time. It goes back and forth. It like plays hide and seek. It's like there, then it goes away, then it comes back. And I love that. Like, it's so different to me. I'm intrigued. I am head over heels in love with this. I'm loving it, living for it. And you guys, if you have a chance to pick this one up, I strongly recommend. Strongly recommend. So this one's a keeper for sure. This is gonna definitely go in my top 10. And again, this is Sensual Instinct by Montale. Come to the end of my video for today. Please let me know if you've tried this fragrance or what you think about the review. If you would like to try it, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here soon. Take care.